Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Reno11 F to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by clicking OK. Now tap on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Oppo, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to selected at the bottom. And choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Finally, it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. If you want to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and pointed at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!